Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending. So first you need to check if you have any emails from Roblox for your verification in your spam, or might be in your bean as well if you have mistakenly deleted it. So check all your mails, and if you have any verification code email there, you can just view it. Now what you need to do is, it's actually not there. You need to go to your Roblox app, and here you need to click on more, scroll down and go to settings. Here click on security, and at the top you will see two-step verification. So you just need to toggle this bar, and here in this box you need to click on Roblox support. Now here you need to scroll down to troubleshooting issue with two-step verification. You'll be taken to a new page. Click on customer support. You can enter your birth date, continue. You just need to enter your email address and confirm your email address again. After that, you need to select what you're using. Right now I'm using an Android phone, so there, and you need to select which type of error you're facing. So in this case we are facing a specific issue, so just click on technical support, and now you need to click on specific experience issue. So in the description you need to type something like, and after that click on submit or continue and wait for the reply in your specific mail you have entered. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.